Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? H plus I, high. Tie plus M, time. High time. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Gene. Welcome aboard, ladies and gentlemen, and please join me now in welcoming back our returning champion, this bright young lady on my right who has won a holiday in Paris and other prizes totaling nearly $11,000. V.U. Spangler is her name. V.U.
Hi.
You mentioned this is going to be a belated honeymoon, the holiday in Paris. How long have you and your hubby been married?
10 months.
10 months.
We got married to each other after knowing each other for a month.
For a month? How did you meet?
We met through a mutual friend of ours.
Blind date sort of thing?
No, we were at a party. And, I mean, we just kind of ran into each other.
Did you know immediately that this was it?
He says he did, but I didn't. He had to call me a week later.
And he proposed and you said yes?
Well, we went out for a while.
Not quite that fast.
We did court a little bit.
Okay, good luck to you today against this man, Tim Warnicki. Hello, Tim. Welcome aboard. I like the mustache.
Thank you, thank you.
Now, tell me about yourself, aside from the mustache.
Okay, well, I'm married, and I've got 2 wonderful daughters.
Where'd you meet your bride?
In high school. We were high school sweethearts, actually.
Really?
And we've been married 12 years now.
Good for you. How old are the kids?
Age 3 and 7, 2 daughters.
Little girls,
2
special.
little girls, yeah. And I'm a school teacher.
Yeah.
San Pedro, California. I teach 7th grade.
Good for you. Boys and girls?
Boys and girls.
Yeah.
You bet.
All right, ready to play our game?
I am.
Okay, you're going to take our test. And you might win this prize if you play it well.
Over 62 inches in circumference and 36 inches in height, this handsome illuminated globe displays thousands of cities, lakes, and mountains in the most current delineations furnished by Abercrombie & Fitch. Alex.
Beautiful globe. We'll show it to you on the board. The illuminated globe is at number 2. We also have a holiday in Singapore.
Singapore, all right.
We're talking Pacific. Tim, you get to pick first.
Okay, I'm looking for that trip to Singapore, and let's look under number 9.
Coffee maker.
Coffee maker, okay. I'm not really a coffee drinker, but I know somebody could use that. Let's look under number 15 for a match for that coffee maker.
No, we have a gold pen and pencil set, so let's go right away to V.U.
Let's fish for Singapore. Number 17, please.
Last time you said that, you came up with a fishing equipment.
I know.
Wild card.
Let's sing for Singapore. Let's look under 8, please.
Dining room. The other dining room is at number 25. A prize for V.U. 3 doors opening up for her. Select again.
Okay, let's look under number 1, please. Ooh,
Green take.
And let's look for the match for that under number 11, please.
Gold pen and pencil set. We don't have a match there, but we may have one coming up right now with Tim.
Okay, let's look under number 15 for that gold pen and pencil set, and the match under number 11.
There we go. Okay. Opposite ends of the line.
Teacher, can
middle
you
line. You bet. Open it up, please. Select again.
Okay, we're still looking for Singapore, a wild card under number 10.
Singapore.
Oh, there it is, and let's match that under number 23.
Green take, no match. V.U.
Oh, you know what? I can't remember where I took that take. Okay, let's look under number 18, please.
That was not it. That's a red take.
And number 7, please.
Wild card, so you're going to get the take out of it after all, a different color. The other red take on the top corner at number 5. You're looking over there. He's got the pen and pencil set.
I think I'll just pass on that and hold on to the take.
I thought you might. Let's open it up a little bit more and see if V.U. can solve it. Go again.
Okay, let's look under number 16, please.
His and her activewear.
Yeah, let's look for a match for that under number 4, please.
Illuminated globe. Okay. We always have the activewear. I don't know why we don't have something for me like his and her couch potato wear. Tim?
Okay, let's match that globe under number 2.
Number 2 for the globe.
And number 4 for the match.
4 makes it a match. Illuminated globe coming over to Tim Warnicke's side, and a chance to solve the puzzle again.
Not yet.
Select again.
Let's go with number 23.
Green take.
And the green take under number 1, I believe.
Number 1 is right now. Each of our players has a take. And Tim is in a position to use his if he chooses. Singapore is still on the board.
No, thank you. I'm going to save it.
All right.
I'm going to save it.
We'll open it up. Pick again.
Let's open up some of the puzzle under number 13.
His and her activewear.
I believe number 16 was the match for that.
Correct. How do you feel about that dining room set that Theo has?
I'm going to save it still.
All right. Open it up, please. Go again.
Not yet. Let's look under number 19, please.
Wild card.
And I forgot where Singapore is.
Oh, good.
Hurry.
And number 9.
No. It's a far cry from a coffee maker to Singapore. The other coffee maker is at 24, but you may be able to solve the puzzle with the help of these 3 pieces. Do you want to use your take? Yes or no?
I'm going to keep it.
All right, open it up. He did, we did. All right. Select again.
Let's go to number 22.
Pearl and diamond earrings.
Those are nice. My
Those are
wife
nice.
would like those. Let's go to number 20.
Carpet cleaner. We're down to the nitty-gritty here, folks. Viu?
Let's take a look under number 21, please.
Carpet cleaner.
And number 20 for the match.
That's a match, and that gives you control of the board. Also gives you an opportunity to use your take. And he now has some rather interesting prizes up there.
Yeah, he does.
That
but
illuminated globe is very pretty.
I think I'm going to save it for just a little bit longer.
Really?
Yeah.
We're running out of time, though. All right,
Okay.
let's open it up. Pick again, Viu.
Okay, let's look under number 22, please.
Pearl and diamond earrings.
And under number 14.
5 shares of General Motors stock. Tim.
Number 3, please.
Pearl and diamond earrings.
And number 22 for the match.
Pearl and diamond earrings. You can use your take now, Tim.
Yeah, let's take the dining room, please.
The dining room will go over to Tim. Now remember, folks, Tim does not have to solve the puzzle right now, even if he thinks he can, because there are still 2 prizes up there, one of them being the holiday in Singapore, and I think it's almost a sure thing that he would be able to make the match. But you never know. Tim, take a look at the puzzle. Select.
Number 12, Alex.
Singapore.
And number 10.
Singapore. We'll open the doors. And we will show you 6 and 14 because they match the 5 shares of General Motors stock. And now for a lot of prizes, a big payoff, Tim. Solve this puzzle. Yes?
Back in the saddle again.
Is it back in the saddle again? Yes, it is. Yes. You almost didn't make
baby,
that.
almost didn't. I was thinking this was box, but I got back, plus the hen, plus the back in the sad, S plus the add, plus the hill, plus the egg, plus the hen, back in the saddle again.
And you should be so happy about coming up with that because it's a big, big payoff for you. Viu, your first strike only. We'll see you in game number 2, all right?
Okay, I'll be back.
Just a little bit. Tim, let's hear about these prizes, including a fabulous, fabulous vacation. Gene, go for it.
5 shares of General Motors stock, a coffee maker, a gold pen and pencil set, a service merchandise gift certificate with which you may select a gold pen and pencil set or other top name brands from our catalog, or redeem at any one of our many stores furnished by Service Merchandise, and his and her activewear. Soft Touch puts designer fashion into fitness, coordinated bodywear in nylon fibers, bright colors, layered looks, and new silhouettes for any workout, furnished by Soft Touch. And a dining room. Bassett's Eastern Winds dining room set captures the mystery of the Orient. Its delicately engraved floral pattern in a rich birch finish, black trim, and polished brass hardware. Furnished by Bassett. And pearl and diamond earrings. Part of Kay Jewelers' classic collection, the warm luster of pearl and sparkle of diamonds make these earrings the classic addition to every woman's wardrobe, furnished by Kay Jewelers. And a handsome illuminated globe. Now listen to me carefully, because this is a prize package worth $9,082.
I knew it was going to be a big number, and it was. That's a very impressive first-time win. And we'll see if you can match it by winning a brand new car when we come back following this. Here we go, Tim. 15 numbered squares, base time on the clock, 35 seconds. Good luck. Off you go.
1, 2.
Nope.
3, 4.
Nope.
5, 6.
Nope.
3, 6.
Yes.
7, 5.
Yes.
8, 11.
No.
2, 11.
Right.
12, 4.
Yes.
10, 9.
No.
13, 8.
No.
14, 8.
Right.
15, 1.
The XL and the Sentra, it looks like, we're still out there, but that's okay. You've got $9,082, and we're going to put you into game number 2 against VU when we return. Following this. 1 strike only against VU. This game's important for her, more important than it is for Tim, and we have some super prizes as well. Let's take a look at one of them.
Part of Kay Jewelers' classic collection, this dazzling ring features a marquee-cut blue topaz surrounded by brilliant diamonds. Crafted in 14-karat gold, a bold fashion statement furnished by Kay Jewelers. Alex.
Let's show VU and Tim where they can find that lovely ring. Beautiful piece of jewelry at number 8. A Virginia Mountain Lake Resort vacation in this game, as well as $500 in the cash pot. VU, and you get to pick first.
Okay, let's look under number 17, please.
Wallpaper gift certificate.
Okay, and let's see if we got a match or a wild card under number 10, please.
Mahogany wall clock, no match. Tim.
Okay, let's start in the middle, number 13.
China dinnerware.
And number 19.
Virginia Mountain Lake Resort.
That's nice.
VU.
Okay, let's look under number 2, please.
Cash pot.
See if we can find that cash pot or a wild card under number 22.
Chocolate lover's dream, no match. Tim.
Let's go to number 15.
Wild card.
And let's take Virginia Resort, number 19.
19 for the holiday. Pretty place to visit. The other resort vacations on the top line. 3 doors opening up for Tim Warnicki. Select again.
Let's go to number 11, please. Sofa and love seat, can use that. How about number 5 for the match?
Sofa and love seat makes it match just like that. Naturally done.
You could be lucky sometimes.
Oh, that's all right. Luck or skill, it doesn't matter, as long as you make the matches. I guess I'm a bit of a philosopher.
Mm-hmm.
Tim, go again.
Okay, let's go down to number 21. Red take.
Red take.
Let's find that other red take under number 6.
Chocolate lover's dream. There I am. Chocolate lover's dream.
Lover's dream. Was
VU?
that under number 22, please?
Was it? There I am.
And number 6 for the match?
Yes. Oh, just a chocolate truffle would go really good about now, wouldn't it?
Yeah, it sure would, actually.
Yeah. But we'll open the 2 doors for you instead.
Okay, that'd be better.
Go again.
Okay, let's look under number 9, please.
Red take.
Oh, and the match for that under number 21?
Hey, there's a match.
I think I'm going to take a Virginia Resort, please.
Right now?
Right now.
Okay. You can do that. You can do anything you want. She's taking the resort vacation immediatamente.
I'll give it back.
Tim says he'll get it back. He may not have an opportunity to get it back. Open these two panels for view. Select again.
Let's look under number 7, please.
Green take.
And maybe a match under number 24?
Wild card, so you're going to get the other take out of it. The green match is right next to the wild card at number 25. He still has the sofa and love seat.
I think I'm going to take it. What the heck?
What the heck? Yes, all right. Give her that prize and open these 3 panels. Both takes are now out of play, so you need not worry about losing any prize that you put up in your column. View, make another selection.
Let's take a look under number 2.
Cash
The
pot.
cash pot. I think we saw that already. Let's see if we can find that under number 10.
Mahogany wall clock, no match. Tim?
Okay, how about number 4?
Sailboat.
Sailboat. I live in San Pedro. I love to sail. I'd like to get that. How about number 18?
Nope, China dinnerware. View.
Dinnerware. Let's look under number 13, please.
China
And
dinnerware.
for the match, 18.
You got it. How important are those middle squares? Let's take a look right now. Select.
Okay. Let's take a look under number 2.
2 is the
Oh,
cash
that's right,
pot.
that
Keep
cash
going
pot.
back there.
I guess I need it. 12, please.
Mahogany
no.
wall clock. No. Tim. Oh, there's the bell. Hands on your signaling buttons. You know the drill. You can ring in when the green light comes on. It comes on when we start revealing, and we begin with number 1, followed by 2, 4, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 17, 20, and 23. The 3 arrows in the beginning are pointing to red, dead, and Caribbean. What are they? Those are C's. Combine the C's with the R. View.
Caesar salad?
Caesar salad, she says. And she is correct. And she stays alive on classic concentration and wins a whole bunch of prizes again. Come on, View. Way to go.
Okay. Well, Alex helped me with the C's. The red dead, those are the C's. And there's an R here for Caesar. Then I have an S plus Al for, I guess, Albert Einstein.
That's right.
So Sal, and then a little lad here for salad. Caesar salad.
Caesar salad is right. And Tim, just 1 strike against you. You'll play again, but right now we'll take you off stage.
Okay.
Take care. Do you want to hear about this vacation and
Yes,
these
I
prizes?
do.
Well, Jean is about to tell you.
Okey-dokey.
China dinnerware and a chocolate lover's dream. Perron will surprise you throughout the year with a dream gift of chocolate-covered popcorn, chocolate pizza, and mousse truffle chocolates. Gifts for the most discerning connoisseur, furnished by Perron Chocolatier. And a sofa and love seat. Sam Moore Furniture Industries, fully upholstered camelback sofa and love seat, covered in bright, lively floral print, furnished by Sam Moore Furniture Industries. And a Virginia Mountain Lake Resort. We'll fly you on a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to Roanoke. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, and while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And you'll spend 6 nights at the Mountain Lake Resort in Virginia, where you may explore trails, ice skating, cross-country skiing, or just relax by an open fire, as guests have been doing for over a century, furnished by Mountain Lake Resort. Prizes totaling $5,154.
Tell you, you're averaging $5,000 per win, which is really good. We'll see if you can win a car when we come back. She's going to shake out. Either one of us is tense. We're ready to go. Put the numbers up there. 15 numbered squares, and now the clock, 45 seconds. View, win a car. Go for it.
1, 2,
No.
4, 5,
No again.
7, 8,
No.
10, 11,
No.
13, 5,
Yes.
14, 1,
Nope.
15, 8,
Nope.
7, 9,
No.
9, 14,
Yes.
6, 1,
Right.
3, 8.
No.
11. 3.
Right.
2. 10.
Yes, hurry.
8. 12.
No.
15. 4. Darn it.
Darn it, indeed. You were one car short, but hey, you're never short in the games because you won $15,930 in prizes and some great trips, too. Gene, talk to us.
Some of today's participants may receive limited edition Ray-Ban precious metal sunglasses by Bausch & Lomb. Feature rare metals and 24-karat gold frames with changeable lenses, available in gray, black, or white. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
See ya.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.